For the entirety of owning a Swiffer mop or a Swiffer sweeper, any of the Swiffer stuff, I have always just purchased Swiffer brand refills. This was my first time going with like a third party brand. But here's the thing, I never even thought about it. I was doing product research the other day for some other stuff I needed, and I came across these, and it's from the brand Cafanil, and they have over 1,000 people buying these a month, and they have tons of four-star and above reviews. And whenever I see something like that, I know it's a quality product. So even though I've only gone with Swiffer in the past because I just assumed Swiffer had to be the best, dude, these are as good or better without a doubt. Look at the quality of the mop stuff. I mean, this is going to be super absorbent. So I just got 25 of these, and I love that I'm getting a better value now because that Swiffer brand stuff, it's expensive. Not that I love my Swiffer, but I don't want to keep paying out an arm and a leg for the refills. These do a really good job. I got a 25 pack, dude. These are going to be my go-to, dude. Highly recommend.